Jagannath Temple, Delhi's own Jagannath Puri. The Jagannath Temple in Puri has attracted scores of historians and scholars to explore its undefined mysticism and history. This place is said to be visited by Jesus Christ and Prophet Muhammad as well, which caters to a larger number of followers from across all religions and adds up to its spiritual significance. Charlotte Brontë and other Western writers were intrigued by this mysticism of the temple too. Surprisingly, Delhi has got its own Jagannath Temple located in Thayarganj at a distance of 1.5 kilometers from the Green Park metro station. It is a replica of Jagannath Temple of Puri built by the Odia community in the city. Built with a vision to serve mankind, the initial stone for the temple was laid on 16th Jan 1968 due to incessant efforts of Odisha community. At first, because of limited resources, a small temple was built. The believers are of the view that the temple was only built due to abundant blessings of Lord Jagannath. The three deities inhabited by the temple are made of need wood brought from Puri and installed ritually by performing Mahayagan by Vedantic Brahmins for 6 days and Jivan Nyas by Rajguru of Puri. Architecture. The temple is an imitation of the Jagannath Temple in Puri and nearly resembles it in aesthetic and architecture. The dominant white hue imparts the message of peace and unity. There is an Aruna Stambha pillar at the entrance along with sculpted lions captivating the Singha Dwara. To the left of the main temple is a representation of Lord Narayan along with Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva. The head of the temple consists of Neela Chakra with 8 Navagunjaras and yellow flag at the top of Vimana. An epitome of untainted faith. Amidst hymns and chants, people across the city gather to participate in the Rath Yatra every year. In June 2016, the 45th Rath Yatra was taken through the city and celebrated with zeal and zest. Instead of having 3 different chariots for Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and Subhadra respectively, like in Puri and Ahmedabad, here all 3 deities are kept in a single chariot in this yatra. The yatra begins with famous ritual called Pahandi Vijay, in which deities are swung out of shrine and placed in the Rath. The procession is carried all through the locality of South Delhi. Traditional musical instruments lead the yatra and bind the followers with a thread of faith. It is believed that on this day, Lord Jagannath come out to mingle with followers irrespective of caste and creed. Voluntary blood donation camps are also organized during the festival. The followers gather with enthralling spirit to add up in the exuberant aura. It is this untainted faith of followers in Lord Jagannath which has resulted in firmly establishing the temple and the Odia community away from their home in Delhi. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.